Have you ever wondered what habits can transform your finances? Ishani, a self-made millionaire by age 22, shares her first habit, embracing failure as feedback. In an often success-obsessed world, Ishani offers a refreshing perspective. Failure is not the end of the road, but rather an opportunity for growth. A distinct mindset shift that she firmly believes in. Ishani's initial journey was riddled with job interview rejections, but she didn't let it discourage her. Instead, she saw it as a chance to learn, to improve. She sought feedback, not as a critique, but as a roadmap to refinement. Every no didn't deter her. Rather, it fueled her determination to alter her approach, to become better. And it worked. She secured opportunities that were once out of reach. So, what's the takeaway here? The first step in transforming your finances is to view failure as feedback and use it as a stepping stone to success. Ishani's second habit is goal setting and daily planning. She firmly believes that success isn't a result of sporadic bursts of effort, but rather a culmination of daily tasks that align with her overarching goals. Ishani doesn't start her day at the crack of dawn, but she does ensure that every task she undertakes contributes towards her long-term aspirations. She sets quarterly goals, carefully selecting a few that truly matter to her. This practice helps her maintain clarity and direction amidst the daily hustle and bustle. Every day, she plans her tasks around these objectives, ensuring that every hour of her time is spent advancing towards her goals. This isn't about being rigid or overly structured. It's about making sure that each day contributes to the bigger picture, that each task is a step forward in her financial journey. By aligning daily tasks with long-term goals, you can maintain clarity and direction in your financial journey. The third habit that Ishani attributes her financial success to is insatiable learning. She firmly believes that knowledge is the most powerful currency one can possess. For Ishani, this meant diving headfirst into a sea of books, immersing herself in topics ranging from finance and investing to mindset and personal growth. Her thirst for knowledge wasn't just limited to the pages of a book. Ishani also sought wisdom from mentors, attended courses, and even seized hands-on experiences that came her way. One such pivotal moment in her journey was when she chose to work for a real estate developer, and that too, for free. This decision, though unconventional, armed her with invaluable insights that no amount of money could buy. She leveraged this knowledge to pave her path towards financial success. So take a leaf out of Ishani's book and remember, never stop learning. Your path to financial success is lined with books, courses, mentors, and hands-on experiences. Ishani's fourth habit is making your own luck. Ishani firmly believes that waiting for opportunities is like waiting for rain in a drought. It's not going to happen unless you take matters into your own hands. Having a proactive mindset is the key to unlocking doors you didn't even know existed. This attitude is about replacing your excuses with determination. It's about standing up after every fall, dusting off the debris of failure, and charging forward again with renewed vigor. Ishani's life provides a classic example of this. Despite being a relative unknown, she started offering free personal finance classes. It was a risk, sure. There were no guarantees of success, but she was determined to make a difference, to share her knowledge and empower others. And guess what? This bold move opened up a torrent of unforeseen opportunities and was a stepping stone to her financial success. So remember, don't wait for opportunities, create your own luck. The fifth habit that Ishani stresses is the power of saying no. Ishani's journey to financial success was not only about saying yes to opportunities, but also about learning when to say no. She understood that her time, energy, and money were limited resources. Just like she wouldn't invest her money into every venture that came her way, she also had to be discerning with where she invested her time and energy. This discernment came from aligning her commitments with her personal values and long-term goals. She started setting boundaries, even with her close relationships, to ensure her own mental and professional well-being. This is a habit that might seem difficult to cultivate, but Ishani assures us that it is essential in our journey towards success. Remember, every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. Learn to say no. Your time, energy, and money are finite resources. The final habit Ishani advocates for is prioritizing health. She firmly believes that the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. And in this marathon, our health is our most valuable asset. Ishani asserts that our productivity is directly correlated to our well-being. When our bodies and minds are in peak condition, we can accomplish tasks more efficiently and effectively. In her pursuit of success, Ishani incorporates daily health routines into her schedule. She understands that small, consistent steps towards a healthier lifestyle can have a significant impact over time. Whether it's a short morning jog, a nutritious breakfast, or just a few moments of mindfulness, these habits contribute to her overall well-being. Ishani emphasizes that health is the ultimate wealth. For her, no amount of financial success can compensate for poor health. So, she encourages us to consider our health as an investment, just as important as our financial investments. Remember, financial success is incomplete without robust health. Prioritize your health. In conclusion, these 6 habits have been pivotal in Ishani's journey to financial success. Embracing failure as feedback, she turned pain into progress, using rejections as stepping stones to refine her approach. By setting clear goals and planning daily tasks around these objectives, she maintained clarity and direction. With an insatiable hunger for learning, she devoured books, sought mentors, and even worked for free to gain hands-on experience. Ishani also stressed the importance of making your own luck by demonstrating a proactive mindset, replacing excuses with relentless determination. She enlightened us about the power of saying no, aligning commitments with personal values and long-term goals. Lastly, she emphasized health as the ultimate wealth, recognizing its direct correlation with productivity. These habits, when consistently applied, can create a profound impact on your financial journey. It's not just about the material wealth, but the transformational journey that comes with building these habits. Start today and see your finances transform. If you found Ishani's journey and these 6 habits helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We are committed to providing you with more financial tips and tricks, inspiring stories, and practical steps to transform your financial journey. Remember, the journey to financial success starts today, and we're here to guide and inspire you every step of the way. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Your support helps us continue to deliver quality content that empowers you on your financial journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.